Hey, it's Josh. Welcome to More Than Just a Real Estate Agent. This all started on my 38th birthday. You know, I was sitting there in the morning and I remember thinking, what's my legacy gonna be? What will I be remembered for? And I remember sitting there and realizing that my biggest fear was that someday I was gonna die and all people would say is, he was just a real estate agent. I wanted to be more than just a real estate agent. And so together, our company, we came together and we said, how can we impact our local community around us? And what we started doing was, every time we sold a house, we would donate to a local charity. And we started having these charity events and we would get 100 to 200 people to come and everyone would donate $100. And at the end of the night, we had raised $10,000 to $20,000 towards local charities. One time we provided gym memberships to combat wounded veterans. Another time we contributed to a sports program for kids with autism. We did so many things and it's been so fulfilling. But here's the thing, we couldn't do any of that without people like you. So we invite you to become more than just a real estate agent. The next step we'd like you to take is check out one of our meet and greets. I'd love to meet you in person, show you what we're all about, and show you how you can start becoming more than just a real estate agent. We also have business planning workshops where you can come for half a day and I'll show you everything that we're doing that's working in our business right now. You will leave with an exact plan on what you need to do to grow your business. If you're not interested in meeting in person yet, I get it. It's a commitment. What we do have is a training blog where we're putting everything that we're learning and everything that we're doing that's working in our business. I invite you to check that out. And also, please sign up for the newsletter. We're not gonna spam you. It's just gonna be once or twice a month, and it's only gonna be relevant content and what's actually working for us. So, looking forward to meeting you and helping you become more than just a real estate agent.